How to manifest anything in life and make your dreams come true. Are you unhappy right now because you try so hard to achieve your goals, but it seems as if the baseline of your goals is set too high? Does it look from your perspective as if you never gonna make it? Let me share with you what I learned from my experiences, how you can manifest anything in your life and make your wildest dreams come true. What I understood was that what actually pushes you away from manifesting is one part within you that is resistant to what you want to have. The deepest cause for inner resistance is always that there's a part of you that doesn't feel worthy of getting what you desire. So, what you need to understand is that you need to be empathic towards you, and that the feeling of not being good enough comes from traumatic events from your childhood that have been tricking you into thinking that you are not good enough to deserve what you really want. Luckily, I can tell you from my experience that this is a complete lie. The feeling of not being worthy enough that your parents have given you when you were a small child have nothing to do with your true worth. To actually heal this deficit of self-love and self-worth, you need to be strong and to do something your parents have never done to you. Give yourself all the empathy and allow yourself to be like you really are. That's the only way to dissolve resistance within you. You can't overcome the resistance within you by putting pressure on you or getting angry or devalue yourself. Do you know why this doesn't work? It's not working because your parents have probably done exactly this to you. You can't heal yourself by treating yourself as negatively as your parents have treated you. So, by dissolving the resistance within you, by giving you the permission to be good enough to manifest whatever you want to, is the solution here. No one is stopping you from being wealthy and worthy as a grown-up, except you. So let's grow together and manifest whatever we want. I hope this helps. Please give this audio a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring stuff like this. Thanks for listening.